This is what we balling with now. We're balling with our budget drone. Um, we got the little red pepper on it. We did a little modification. Let me see if you can see it. The antenna, we did a little mod here. We just beefed up the antenna, give it a little range. Actually, that's the antenna for the camera. That's good. That's gonna be picking up on the Eachine EV 100, which is that's what we FPVing with, and we put some antenna on here, circular, and some polarity right there. You got that 14 dB gain, help you out. Okay, so as I say, and this little red pepper, we just took the top off the camera off. Uh, we got a little battery underneath here, a little 1 cell battery. Put a little Velcro to hold it down. Yep. And we did a little mod on our receiver. Put a nice little antenna. And the switch here was because of this power button here not working too good. So I just added the switch on it. So that's what we balling with. And with this EV, the power cord that goes to your DVR is shorter than the power that goes into your goggles, which is right here. Which is right there. So what happened is all of the stress goes onto this little short cable here. So what happened to me is the positive, which is the red one, had broke off. I noticed I'm trying to record, and sometime the light doesn't come on, and sometime it does. Realized I had a shortage in my the red cord. So what I did, I should have put something more fancier, but I just had to use what I had. I was on the field. So I just extended this cable, make it taller than this one here. So all of the stress will go on this, which is is thicker, more strength, more security. So that's what I did with that. Okay, so that's that. So let's go out and fly.